My Whirlpool oven has a F6E1 error code and shows this code M266E255156. Is this the thermocouple?
What happened just before your Whirlpool oven displayed this message?
I replaced the baking element and hooked it up to test it and noticed that it wasn't getting the temperature. Therefore, I started the diagnostics mode to see what the errors are and it threw the code.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool oven? What have you tried so far?
The original baking element started sparking inside the oven and would get really hot.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I just bought the replacement element and installed it. Now it does not get to temperature. The error lists out runaway temp K2P14 bake wire position or bake element.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark, I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. You will see phone call pop-ups. Know that I do not send those, the site does that, and if you do not want a $24 call, you can ignore those. Sorry to hear your oven has the F6E1 error, that is frustrating indeed. That error is defined as a faulty temperature sensor by the oven diagnostics on control board. I would replace the temperature sensor in the oven. If that does not resolve the issue, then the control board is faulty and will need to be replaced.
Okay, where do I order the part from?
You can order it online, you will need the full model number to find it. I can locate it if you provide me with the full model number. Here is a link to a parts supplier online that I use to find parts. Enter your model number in the model number window and you can then find the part for the model oven you have. https://www.easyapplianceparts.com/. Have a great day, be safe and thank you for using Just Answer.
Is W108338885 for a Whirlpool 715 hose electric range? Correct part.
One moment please. That is correct. It's easy to replace it too. After you remove the screw holding it on, pull it out a bit, then you will see the plastic wire connection. You disconnect it and connect new one, then you have to make sure you push the plastic connection part back into the wall so it will not melt. You can do this from inside oven. Have a great day, be safe and thank you for using Just Answer.
Thanks, the connector when I had the panel off. It looked easy to replace.
Great news. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.